While you're distracted, this is still building. The hidden game behind the crisis. Watch until the end, because this might be the most important video in this entire series, not because of what's happening in the financial system, but because of what's not being shown to you. While trillions of dollars in private credit risk quietly build behind the scenes, something else is happening at the same time. Your attention is being pulled in the opposite direction. News cycles, breaking stories, political drama, endless noise, and none of it is random. Because the truth is, financial systems don't just rely on money, they rely on confidence, and confidence relies on focus. So the real question is, what happens when your attention is directed away from the real risk? Let's break it down. Part 1. The invisible side of financial crises. Every financial crisis has two sides. The visible side, market movements, headlines, policy responses, and the invisible side, risk building quietly, signals being ignored, attention being redirected. Most people only see the first, but the second, that's where the real story lives. Because crises don't happen when everyone is watching. They happen when almost no one is. Part 2. Attention is the most valuable asset. Let's step away from finance for a second. Think about your daily life. How many things compete for your attention? News alerts, social media, breaking updates, endless scrolling. Now ask yourself, how much of that attention is focused on long-term risk? Very little. And that's not accidental, because in modern systems, attention is currency and distraction is strategy. Part 3. The cycle of distraction. Here's how it works. Step 1. A major topic dominates headlines. Step 2. Emotional reactions increase engagement. Step 3. Attention shifts rapidly. Step 4. Deeper issues get ignored. Repeat. Over and over again. Meanwhile, structural risks continue building quietly. Part 4. Why complex risks get ignored. Private credit is the perfect example. Why isn't it trending? Because it's complex. It's not visual. It doesn't create immediate emotion. Compare that to political conflict, social issues, viral moments. Which one spreads faster? Exactly. The system prioritizes what grabs attention, not what matters long-term. Part 5. The comfort of short-term thinking. Humans are wired to focus on immediate threats, short-term outcomes, visible problems, not slow, hidden risks. So when something like private credit builds, it feels distant, it feels abstract, it feels irrelevant, until suddenly, it isn't. Part 6. The role of media dynamics. This is not about conspiracy, it's about incentives. Media platforms are designed to maximize engagement, capture attention, keep you watching. That means fast stories outperform slow ones. Emotional content beats analytical content. Conflict beats complexity. So naturally, deep financial risks get less attention. Part 7. The result. A blind spot. All of this creates a powerful effect, a collective blind spot, where millions of people focus on surface-level events, while deeper risks go unnoticed, and in finance, blind spots are dangerous. Part 8. How this connects to private credit. Now bring this back to our core topic. Private credit is complex, illiquid, hard to track, not widely understood, which makes it perfect for being ignored. While attention is elsewhere, risk accumulates quietly. Part 9. The timing problem. Here's where it becomes critical. By the time something becomes obvious, it's already advanced. Because attention only shifts when losses become visible, markets react, headlines appear, and by then, early opportunities to act are gone. Part 10. The illusion of stability. Another key factor, when nothing looks wrong, people assume everything is fine, stable returns, no volatility, no headlines. But in private credit, stability can be misleading, because prices aren't updated in real time. So what looks calm may actually be building pressure. Part 11. The moment attention shifts. When does the system wake up? Usually, after the first visible shock, a fund restricts withdrawals, a major default hits headlines, a large investor reports losses. Then suddenly, everyone pays attention, but now, it's reactive, not proactive. Part 12, the speed of realization. Here's the dangerous part. Attention shifts slowly, but panic spreads fast. So when awareness finally catches up, markets can move violently because everyone is reacting at once. Part 13, the psychology of it can't happen. Before every major disruption, there's a common belief. This time is different. The system is stronger. Risks are under control. And often, that belief holds until it doesn't. Part 14. Who benefits from distraction? Let's be careful here. This isn't about blaming individuals. It's about understanding systems. When attention is fragmented, few people see the full picture. Fewer still act on it. And that creates stability until instability appears. Part 15. The information gap. There's always a gap between what is happening and what people understand. That gap is where opportunity exists, risk builds, decisions are made, and right now, that gap still exists in private credit. Part 16, breaking out of the distraction loop. So what can you actually do? Not panic, not overreact, but stay aware of deeper trends, look beyond headlines, focus on structural changes, because awareness changes how you react. Part 17, connecting all three parts. Let's connect everything. Part 1, the hidden market. Part 2, the collapse timeline. Part 3, the distraction system. Together, they show. Risk can build, collapse can unfold, and attention may arrive too late. Final thought. The biggest risks are not always the ones in front of you. They're the ones building quietly, while your focus is somewhere else. Private credit may or may not become a crisis. But the pattern we've explored, that pattern repeats. In different forms, in different systems, at different times. So here's the real question. If the next financial shift is already building, will you see it early, or will it only become clear when everyone else finally notices? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of what's really happening, subscribe now, because the next video might not be about what's coming. It might be about what just started. Stay awake, stay aware. I'm Felix from Mindful Minds and Money. Thank you for watching. See you next time.